Can an autoimmune disease be cured by the mind-body approach and the mind-body healing? Someone reached out to me and she told me that her mother has been diagnosed with a condition called Dermatomyositis, which is a rare autoimmune disease, which means it's less than 200,000 people that have this disease in America. She had it for 4 years already. She's on 4 different medications. One of the medications is just to counteract the side effects of another medication, and she's not really getting any better. She's depressed, she's just down, she can't do anything. That's where the immune system affects your muscles and your skin, causing rashes, itchiness, and shoulder pain, and muscle pain really all throughout your body. A lot of muscle weakness, and she just can't live normally anymore. And the medication's not working, and she's just going to testings, and she's going to doctors every other week, and it's just really hard. So I said, look, this is what I do. I really believe this can help her. And deep down, I knew this was a long shot. This is not where Dr. Sarno really gets into the territory in his books, but I really believed, as he explains in his books, that many times this TMS or TMS equivalent can alter the optimal functioning of the autonomic system, but also the immune system, along with the neuroendocrine system, as we explained in different videos. So I told her, look, I know her mother is from a different country. She doesn't know English too well. So I said, look, I'll give you over the lecture that I know, that I made up. We'll go over it deeply, and you could translate it and tell it over to your mother, and be very slow with it. Make sure she totally understands the whole concept behind mind-body healing. And we went through it. We had a Zoom meeting, and we went through it. It took several hours. We went through the lecture. We told her what her mother would have to do. And I get a phone call 2 months after I finished with the lecture saying that, oh, my mother has been off medication for 4 weeks and she did not have a flare-up. The first time she didn't have a flare-up of going off of medication, because she has in the past went off of medication against her doctor's say, because she just couldn't stand the medication side effects and all the pain of just going to the doctors, and she was so fed up with it. This is the first time she told me that her mother went off of the medication and didn't have a flare-up. Her symptoms were improving, and she was feeling better, she was happier, and she was so thankful. Now, how is this possible? So the first thing to know is that, again, she's not from America. She's native to somewhere in Africa. I don't even know exactly. The point is that she already was in the belief that this Western medicine was not working for her. She had no belief in the doctors. She knew, or very strongly believed, that what these doctors were doing was not helping her. So it was very easy for her to accept this approach of mind-body healing. And that's one of the biggest things that you need for healing, is acceptance and acknowledging and knowing the information and really accepting it internally. And once she accepted it, she did what she had to do. She did the program, and she was better I believe she was better within 4 weeks. And that is the power of mind-body medicine. Again, this is not a band-aid. You're getting to the root of the problem, and then your symptoms just fall away. It could be slowly, it could be quickly. Everyone's different in how fast the symptoms do go away and how severe the condition is. But even a rare condition like an autoimmune dermatomyositis can be cured, not just managed. It can be cured by the mind-body approach.